Are sharks predators or are they the prey? Our world's ecosystem is vital to our world's survival, and as taking the top predator of our ocean ecosystem will collapse our Earth's ecosystem. I have spent my life researching sharks and I'm currently in the process of getting my degree in marine biology and ecology. We all know how important our ecosystem is to our world, but do you know what will actually happen if our ecosystem is tampered with? Oxygen is vital to all living things in our world. According to the article, How Much Do Oceans Add to Our World's Oxygen by EarthSky, accessed on October 30th, the ocean produces 50 to 85% of our world's oxygen. Oxygen is created by phytoplankton, which are microscopic aquatic plants. It is hard to get a specific measurement on the amount of oxygen they produce due to their relatively small size and being able to calculate the exact amount of oxygen each of them produce. Our ocean supplies us with food, medicine, and other natural resources. The ocean supplies us with many medicines, and we're still discovering new medicines. According to the article Human Ocean by the NOAA, accessed on October 30th, discolored mellides come from sea sponges, which are used as an anti-tumor regimen, and bluebill from horseshoe crabs acts as an anti-cancer medicine. According to Ocean Resources by Marine Bio, accessed on October 30th, fishermen catch 200 billion pounds of fish a year in order to supply us with food. We harvest many natural resources from our ocean, including salt, sand, gravel, manganese, copper, oil, and egg. Our world's ecosystem is based off the food chain. Sharks keep a healthy equilibrium in our ecosystem. If you take off the top predator off the food chain, you don't have anything controlling the population of the other fish. Then the population of the other fish spikes, which requires a demand of more food for the other fish to eat, leading to the seaweed and algae and phytoplankton to be completely eaten, taking half of our world's oxygen producers. According to the article How Much Do Oceans Add to Our World's Oxygen by EarthSky, accessed on October 30th, oceans provide us with more oxygen than all the rainforests combined, remove half of the man-made carbon dioxide, and control our planet's temperature and weather. Sharks are currently endangered because of commercial fishing, bycatch, habitat degradation, and hunting. Commercial fishing plays a role in their endangerment. People over-demanding too much meat. The overconsumption of fish is becoming harmful to our world. According to the article Sharks Turn to Prey by Ocean Portal, accessed on October 30th, shark finning is responsible for a lot of decrease in sharks' population. Asia used shark fins to make shark fin soup. They kill 10 million sharks a year for their fin. Bycatch is also a reason for the threat. Fishermen unintentionally catch them in their nets when they are fishing and end up dying. Sport fishing. There are many people who shark fish for a sport and do not know how to proper way to handle sharks, end up killing them by breaking their backs. Habitat degradation also plays its own role in a shark's population decreasing. Climate change and pollution are responsible for a lot of the ocean's problem. Destruction of mangroves and reefs, nowhere for them to breed. Many sharks are hunted, which is the most messed up reason of all. Many sharks are hunted just for the fun of it, or because of their bad reputation. When someone is attacked by a shark, many people feel the need to go out and find the shark to get revenge, when they really cannot be 100% positive which shark was really responsible. Many are hunted for interior decoration as well. People go out in boats and shoot mako sharks just for the fun of it, to see them jump in the air and such, even though they are on the dangerous species list. I know what you're thinking, are these evil beasts and why would I still want to protect them? According to the article Shark Attack Facts by National Geographic's accessed on October 30th, approximately 5 people die a year from a shark attack when 100 million sharks are killed a year. People think if they go in the ocean that they are going to get attacked by a shark, when in reality they do not want anything to do with us. Many shark attacks are accidental. From under the surface, human paddling and splashing looks like a seal or prey in distress. When sharks do attack, majority of the time they swim away immediately. They don't like the taste of human. We are too bony for them. People also do not like to listen to the information they are given in order to protect themselves. They do not swim in the evening time or in murky water. These are the times when sharks are likely to be out hunting. People seem to forget or not care that the ocean is not their home. We are entering their home. We are the intruders. People think everything is theirs to do with whatever they want. They need to have power over everything. They need to have total power over sharks and the ocean. I have spent my whole life in the ocean and dedicated to preserving it. I have dived hundreds of times in my life with sharks and never have been harmed or threatened by them. Sharks are very peaceful animals to swim with and do their best to avoid humans when they're diving. We can protect sharks through beach cleanup, spreading the word, supporting organizations. Clean oceans are a big step into protecting sharks. Next time you're out on the beach, if you see trash, pick it up. Most of the plastic and trash on the beach end up in the water and sharks can eat it and choke on it. Join the cleanup crew down by the beaches in your area. Spread the word about sharks. Tell people what will happen if we do not protect sharks. Inform them about how they aren't that big of a threat to humans and they aren't these vicious animals. Support your organizations. There are many organizations out there that either need volunteers or need donations. They are tirelessly fighting to protect our oceans, and helping them out is a great cause. Some of these groups are like Shark Adventure, Shark Stewards, the Pitoma, the Marine Megafauna, and EcoOcean. Today I've explained how crucial sharks are to our ecosystem. I have explained the importance of a healthy marine ecosystem and the role sharks play in it, then explain the reason that they're endangered and why we should protect them, and the things we can do to save them. The frightening reality is no sharks is scarier than billions of sharks. We need to take a step back and see if humans or sharks are the true murderers.